Absolutely amazing. It's raining. Wow. And that is such an incredible delight to be able to experience the rain amidst the forest. What a beauty. Absolutely splendid. I'm going to enjoy this moment thoroughly and feel the grace, feel the enjoyment, feel the refreshment. Beautiful. Absolutely a delight. Have a great time, everybody. Go out, explore the nature. It's going to be very, very incredible. You're going to enjoy that. Do not miss out on an opportunity to enjoy with nature. Because when you enjoy with nature, you will enjoy with yourself. And understand just there are two things which you need to focus on: love and grace. Good day.